Welcome to the Siemens Xcelerator Admin Console tutorial. This centralized management tool enables you to efficiently manage Siemens Xcelerator product subscriptions. Unlike previously used licensing servers that added maintenance costs, our cloud licenses offer flexibility with offline usage for up to 14 days. When you're online, you can check out value-based licenses or VBLs that remain available within your session, even if you go offline. After finalizing your purchase, you will receive an email prompting you to log in to the admin console. If you're new to Siemens, you will need to create a Siemens account first. As an admin, you can manage multiple enterprise cloud accounts or ECAs. Upon login, select which ECA you want to access. Let's walk through the configuration process. Start by entering an account name and description and choose whether to enable multi-factor authentication and domain validation. Multi-factor authentication is highly recommended for enhanced security, though you have the flexibility to disable it for the ECA users here if desired. For additional security measures, you can restrict access to your ECA by specifying approved domains, preventing login attempts from any unauthorized email domains. To configure the product, select a region. After clicking Next, configure the user by entering an email for the admin and select the tier. The left navigation panel has all product subscriptions within the ECA. The Overview tab shows the number of assigned users, the available entitlements, the product expiration date, and the region the product is configured in. In the Assigned Users tab, there is a list of all users with entitlements, along with their email, role, date assigned, and status. New users can be added easily with a few clicks. Please note that these role assignments specifically control access to cloud applications like PCBFlow and Connect. You can also quickly search for users by email. The License tab displays your purchase history and expiration dates for your products. In the Tokens tab, you can monitor your total purchase tokens, track current token usage, and view active usage details by user. Please note, this feature requires the purchase of a VBL token pack. The Admins tab allows for smooth transfer of admin rights during staff transitions. By clicking Add User, you can add the new admin's email. You will then see the new admin as pending. The Siemens Xcelerator Admin Console streamlines license management, putting powerful administrative tools at your fingertips to efficiently manage users, monitor usage, and maintain seamless control of your Siemens software investments.